Hello friends. So as you can tell, I'm in a slightly different location from normal. So I might as well say there won't be a live song from me today. Unfortunately, I haven't brought my guitar with me. Just decided to get a little break while I can, as the COVID restrictions are tightening again, aren't they? And at the time of recording this, we don't know for definite whether there might be some short lockdown or something in England, but I guess the likelihood's quite high by now. But I'm having a lovely autumn walk, and there's just something very beautiful and powerful about this season, isn't there? As the leaves fall and we prepare for the cold, dark season of winter. It's just so beautiful, the colours and the richness of it. And yet there's also so much decay, isn't there? So much that looks like death and decay around us. And I guess nature reminds us that the creator of all, that our wonderful, wise, loving God has created all of life to have this pattern of life and death and growth and renewal and decay and restoration and healing and new life. So as we continue to journey through this time of uncertainty, this great autumn and winter of life, we continue to hope and trust in God's pattern, in his ways of wisdom and love and mercy for us all.